This company reached out to me, let me say that, to review a pair of their shoes. And of course, your girl said yes. Why would I say no? Of course, yes.
Shoulda, coulda, would have been. Yeah, I would have been. Damn. Yeah, I would have.
Hopefully, Nate here, and welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, this video is long overdue. This is going to be the second time I recorded this video. The first video I recorded was when I first got it, before I went on my cruise, but somehow I deleted it. I don't know how, but that's neither here nor there. Let's get into the specs of what I got. I got something in the mail. Some shoes. Yes, some shoes. Again, this is out of my comfort zone here. Comfort zone, because normally I'm a sneakerhead. Now I gotta wear my sneakers, but I saw these. And I wanted to, let me say this first. The shipping and packaging of these shoes were top tier. Chef kiss. They were basically wrapped in a bubble. So, if you're a box person like I am, and you want to preserve the box, look at this box, y'all. Nothing wrong with it. I ordered, this company reached out to me, let me say that, to review a pair of their shoes. And of course, your girl said yes. Why would I say no? Of course, yes. Yes. They gave me the option to pick through some shoes. So I looked through a couple, and then we decided on a pair that they would actually send. So I know y'all waiting. Y'all waiting, huh? Yeah, you're waiting. I got a pair of Hermes sandals. Look at the box. I'm telling you guys, look at the box. I'm in love. I am in love with the box alone. A box, like I said, the shipping was fast. No issues. Communication with the seller. Top tier. Top tier. But I know y'all tired of hearing me talk. Y'all want to see what's in this box, right? Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, all right. Let's do it. Let's get into it. All right. Again, like I said, nothing wrong with the box. Let's put that to the side. Of course, it has a wonderful gift bag when you first open it, with Hermes on it on the bottom. Very nice. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Okay. So, of course, when you open it, there's a couple stock cards. There is, oh, it's falling out. It says Hermes. It has like a receipt card. It has, this is just a blank card with Hermes on it. We'll get to this later. And then it has an envelope with, it says Hermes, and then it has the different types of sandals and something that I cannot read. I'm assuming in French. And then it has like the little Hermes Paris authentication item card. Who doesn't like that? Tell me y'all like hope. Y'all, you dragging this video, but that's okay. Because we getting there. We getting there with it. Like I said, this is the second time I've made this video. Hence, I already done broke these puppies in. So I'm going to give you the real review of these puppies. I already broke them in. Let's get into the specs of these shoes. I know this was what y'all been waiting for. All right, dust bags. Look at the dust bag. Very nice quality. It has the Hermes logo on it, which is an H. And it has it on both bags. Again, like I said, I already took these puppies for a spin. So the review you about to get from me right now is a real one. A real one. All right, this is the shoe. Again, I ordered these in a 43. I think they're men's size. I want to say. I'm trying to see it because I think I still had a little bit of Bahama sand on these. But these, I'm gonna let y'all admire these for a second. Like, I love the detail that it has here with the little buckle. It has Hermes right here on the side. The sole, it has Hermes right there on the bottom of the sole. Now, this part right here, it isn't soft, but walking on them, they were so comfortable. I wore these the day that we docked out in Nassau, Bahamas, and my feet was so comfortable, like so comfortable. Like the days before that, I guess with me working and driving all the way to Northern Virginia to meet my sister, and I was just up on my feet. So my feet was kind of swollen, but these were heaven sent. Let me let y'all admire these right here. So comfortable, so comfortable. Like the strap is Velcro, so you don't have to worry about, you know, trying to stick it through a hole. You know, the little what you call that thing? You know, like a regular sandal. Like these are super comfortable. And I did hear mixed reviews on some people saying that it wasn't comfortable. It might have been like the women's. I don't know. But like I said, I wear a size 10 in women's, and I wear 8.5 in men's. So I decided, normally I wear a 42, so I decided just to go up one size, which is a 43. And I was spot on with it. Spot on with it. Like you cannot tell me anything about these shoes. These are my new favorite thing. I'm gonna have to go on the website and see what else they have that's similar to these, because mama's going for comfort, and and these scream comfort all day long, all day long. Like I said, I wore these walking on the I got them backwards here so you guys can see. Sorry, but that's okay. That's okay. Like I said, I love these shoes. The material it's great quality. The leather on it didn't hurt. Like this top part didn't hurt my foot. This top part didn't hurt my foot, or this, or my toe. You know how some sandals, like the top may rub your foot. I didn't have to put any kind of extra cushion in these. I just love these, y'all. Let me let y'all admire these shoes again. So again, it has the Hermes here. It has the Hermes on the side of the shoe, and then it has the Hermes on the sole. Can't beat this. Now,
Dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been. We could.
I know y'all been waiting. Like, Hope, okay, all right, I see the sandal. You've been talking about the sandal. Yes, it's great. Where'd you get them? I got that for y'all too. I got these from dandyshoe.ru. I know if I put it up like this, it's backwards, but that's okay. It's okay. You know what? It's okay, because I'm gonna put it in the description box. I have the website, I have the Instagram, I have the WhatsApp. But guess what else I got? Y'all know your girl be looking out for y'all. Guess what else I got? Your girl got a discount code. Yes, she does. She got a discount code. My discount code is HOPE, HOPE. Doesn't have to be all caps. You put that in the little discount code, promo code. You know, once you go to the website, look around and want to order something, think of me. Think of me. You always got to have hope. And you get $15 off. You get $15 off. You cannot beat that. Who doesn't love saving money? Tell me, who doesn't love saving money? Again, I got these shoes from dandyshoe.ru, and that's DANDYSHOE.RU. Again, all of the information will be linked in the description box. I love bringing y'all these gems. I do. I love bringing y'all these high quality videos with luxury brands with a discount. Fast shipping, great vendors. Holla at your girl. I'm telling you, holla at your girl. Discount is HOPE. Again, I will put that down in the description box. You guys, if you want to see more of these videos from me, you know exactly what to do. First off, share this, because I know there's a lot of y'all out there. Like I said, this company has so many different types of shoes. So many different types of shoes and things on the website. I'm going to put it in the description box. Feel free to go and look it over. If you have any questions, you know, hit your girl up. I love to respond. I respond. If I can answer it, I'll answer it for you. If I don't know the answer right then and there, I get it for you. I definitely get it for you. You know what to do. Please like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, Hope Lene.